Welcome to the Bolt Product Bulk Editor app. In this video tutorial we'll guide you through the process of how to bulk edit product fields using a CSV file using the Bolt app. Let's proceed. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin. Click the Apps section and open Bolt Product Bulk Editor. You'll be directed to the dashboard. On the dashboard, click the Create Task button located on the left-hand side. This will initiate the process of setting up a new bulk edit task. Next, choose the specific product field you wish to modify. The Bolt app allows you to edit various product fields. In this step, we are choosing to update the product title. Next, we need to filter the products that should be included in this task. Opt for the All Products in CSV option to proceed with the CSV-based bulk edit. Before that, we need to create a CSV file containing the products you intend to update. Ensure that each product entry includes at least one of the following unique identifiers: Variant ID, Variant SKU, Product Handle. These identifiers are crucial for accurately matching the CSV data to your existing products in Shopify. We have created a CSV file using the Variant SKU identifier. Here is the CSV file we have created, contains a header named Variant SKU. To upload the file, click the Upload File button. Select the file from your device. Click the Submit button. Once the upload is complete, you will see the message, "File uploaded successfully." After that, click Next to preview the list of products that match your selected criteria. Now define the update action you want to apply. For example, if modifying the product title. In the Configuring rule, select the operation that you want to perform from this drop-down. For this example, we'll select Add text to the end of the title. After that, click Check to preview sample changes before continuing. Review your task configuration before executing it. Confirm that your filters and update settings are correct. If everything is in order, you may choose to run the task immediately or schedule it for later. You also have the option to enable rollback in case you need to revert the changes. Give your task a descriptive name, then click Save to begin processing. Once the task starts, you can monitor its progress in the Current tab. Upon completion, a detailed summary of changes will be available in the History tab. And that's it. You've successfully created and executed a task using the Bolt app. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching this video.